Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we'll discuss interesting problem statement and we solve this using SQL. Okay, if you're learning SQL and if you don't know that how things use in industry, please stay on the video. I'll discuss one particular problem statement and you will see this how SQL help in the industry to solve any manual tasks or any boring tasks, or that's can also have the error prompts. Okay, you can change this using your SQL query. Okay, so please stay on the video. I'll discuss totally about this. So first we will discuss about the problem statement. Okay, so what is the problem statement? Problem statement, let's, if we have a clothing company, let's say a clothing company has a large warehouse. Okay, and every warehouse, you know that the information stored in the warehouse, stored in the warehouse, as it is clothing company. So if you have a data related to uh, clothes like a pant, shirt, t-shirt, clothes, so what you have to do is that every day also comes with some new tracks. Okay, with new clothes. Okay, and new tracks also come with some CSV file. So you have to update the CSV file. You have to insert the data into the actual warehouse. Okay, so you have to do it manually. First check that this is a new product. If it is a new product, so it is add the new ID with new ID, and also add the quantity. And if you have a it's don't if it is not new product, you have to add in the existing product ID. You have to add the quantity on the to the existing ID. Okay, you have to do this like this manually. What you have to do, we have to do this, we have just automate the process. Okay, you don't need to do the manual process. So for that we take two tables. First one is warehouse, this is the company warehouse, and this is the one table, that's the tax. Those who comes with product, there's the they come with this CSV file. Okay, product ID, product name, quantity, and the product ID, quantity name, product name, quantity. First we created the table and then see that we first change the data set. From here we see name B, and then we create the table, first table, and we insert some data, name data, invalid object name warehouse. First we check this why it's invalid. We take invalid one because it's already can have in my database. Why it's showing that invalid database? As table it's created, so why it's showing invalid? I have to check it why it's invalid. We get the error because that we just change the name warehouse to is missing, that's why I'm getting error. Okay, we'll remove the e from the insert query. Okay, then we'll run this. Also getting error. Okay, table created, and then we'll run this. It will work. Okay, it's error is coming every time. So we'll create one table, and then we have another table. Also create this table. This also we create this table, and then we insert some value on this table. Okay, so is there. First, here what you do that, there's a two problem statement. One is update, and another insert new query. First, we go with update. How you can update the query in the warehouse table. Okay, first go with this, and let me check the how we can do this. Okay, first what you have to perform join. Okay, you have to perform inner join to update this because you find the common product. So for this you have to use inner join. When you going to find common things from two tables, you have to use join, inner join. So use inner join. Okay, select star from warehouse as I, inner join, inner join which table, new product table, new product table as in on product id on the basis of product id. So first you have to use I dot product id is equal to in dot product id. When you perform this, you will get the common value. This is the common value. Okay, you'll see this. You have to update this with the you have to update this 100 you have to update at 25, 120 for 50 you have to update 15, okay, 18 10 you have to update this. Okay, so how you can do this? Simple, you can do this like this way. You have to update which table? I then set I dot quantity is equal to in dot quantity, and I dot also can use q in quantity plus n dot quantity u n tity quantity. If you do this, and you have to remove the select mode. Okay, when you are going to update anything from in part total, you have to remove the select query. So you can run this, you can update 0 affected. Okay, when you run this, select star from warehouse warehouse, you will see this, it updated. Let's see. Okay, this update, you can update this way. And another problem is you have to insert if it is a new query. Okay, for insert you have to use right join. Okay, why right join? Because you have to find the id where the second table. Okay, find the id from second table that don't have the in first table. So you have to use right join. So first do select, we just copy this from here, and we can copy this and in right join select star from null. Okay, first one, what is id is missing, it's coming out null. So here we need only the this id 106 107 108. How can I do this? You have to write this way, where I dot product id is null. This way, if you write this way, you can get this value. Okay, not null, I think not null, not null. No, this also you can this also I have to just one thing I have to do is that you have to do just you have to choose the product from here. Okay, you can choose from here. What you have to do is that b dot not b, you have to do this new product n dot start. If you do this, then you can get only this new value. This is a new product. Okay, this won't have this warehouse table. Okay, this is new product. You have to add this new product. This is how you can find the new product. Okay, so for this you have to create a store procedure. Okay, you have to automate the process. You know that why you use store procedure is you have to automate something. It's like a function of Python. Okay, you just run every time and whole query automatically run. So for this we just add the store procedure. So create a store procedure for this. So first we create procedure, update warehouse has began end is the formula of the step procedure, and write the query from here. And don't write, just copy and paste. You can copy and paste from here. First you have to do the update. For update you have to just need this query, copy this, paste this for update, and another one is insert. For insert you have to what you have to do this, you have to just change this query in different way. You have to insert, select donate. I think what you do this, you have to insert. So insert into this one, product ID, product name, quantity. This way you can do this. Okay, this way you can do this. This is to procedure for update and insert. So create the, let's create the step procedure. Step procedure is created. You have to run the step procedure. Is affected. Okay, like we need new queries come. Okay, like new table, we have to insert new tables come. Okay, like this, not like this. New insert. Okay, new insert. Okay, this is a new insert. Okay, you have to we the new product is come. So how we can update this in the existing table? Okay, first you see the warehouse table, select start from warehouse. You see this 150 product. Okay, a new product is come. So how you can update this? We just run the, we just insert the new product, update, and now run the step procedure, and you see the update 175. Okay, new product also inserted automatically. Okay, this is how you can create step procedure, and you can solve the really particular problem statement. Okay, in industry. Okay, you can just, you have to, if the new table is come, what you have to do is you have to just run the this query. You have to run update warehouse. You have to run this step procedure. When you run this, then automatically the your warehouse table updated with new query, the new product or existing product automatically updated. So if you solve this particular problem in industry. Okay, if you like this particular video, please thumbs up, and if you have any query related this, please let me in the comment section. Thank you guys.